Today we're going to play with some gasoline and matches. This is the Coleman 457G handy gas plant. If you find one of these, you want to make sure that the tank is good. This is called the fount in the Coleman world. The gas tank is called a fount. And if that's rusted bad and you put it under pressure, it can blow a hole in the side and spew gas all over. And if you're trying to light it while that happens, you have a big fire. Anytime you play with gasoline and matches, you have a dangerous situation. And just some plain common sense will help you avoid accidents. I'm going to pump this up. The gauge is on the side here. I want a little over 20 pounds of pressure in there. And right now, there's a little, I think there's about 16. I'm going to pump this up. You loosen this cap a little bit. And there's a check valve in there. I have about 20 pounds of pressure in there now. The handy gas plant operates on the same principle as the gasoline lantern. This valve, which you're supposed to open a quarter turn to light it, I have it open a little bit more than that. On this one, you have to kind of get to know your handy gas plant and how to light it. Every one is a little different. I have that open about 3/4 turn, and this has a rod going down through the pickup stem that when this is only partially open, it allows air to mix with the gasoline as it comes into the generator. That allows the gasoline to burn hotter and heat the generator faster. Now, this is a very large generator and it's old and has some carbon in it, so I'm going to preheat it a little bit with my propane torch. I'm just going to heat that up real good. This just kind of simplifies when you start opening this valve. Now that's burning pretty hot. You're going to open this valve all the way. It's kind of hard to see the flame in there, but that's fully lit now and it's putting out a lot of heat. I'm going to open this valve all the way now. There's a little tab you have to push down to get it to open all the way. Now that's lit. When this valve is open all the way, it no longer allows oxygen from the fount to mix with the gasoline. It's just straight gasoline coming into this little tube here, and straight gasoline going into the generator. The heat from the flames heats up the generator so that the gasoline in the generator turns into vapor and goes out the other end into the burner. Now that's lit, and I'm going to let it burn for a while, and then you have to shut this and open it a quarter turn, leave it at a quarter turn for a minute or so before you shut it down. That allows air to mix with the gasoline in the generator. Then you turn this valve shut, and the next time you go to start it, there's some air mixed with the gasoline in the generator, so it's easier to start. That's the Coleman 457G hand-to-gas plant. And I'm going to go play with some more gasoline and matches, and I'll talk to you later.